Hello, guys. My name is Hamza, and I'm gonna be telling you about the story of how it happened. Well, probably about the past on August 23rd when I went to the Nike factory store because due to a storm. So, I saw that this yellow male guy was trying to say to me saying that I followed him. Well, kind of like it's probably an accident. The reason for this is because I came to the Nike store. Unfortunately, there is no elevator in this place. But what that but what holding with the thing with probably with this guy, this yellow male guy with the yellow shirt, saying that if he follows, if he tries to follow me because I'm the person right there, is probably that he's gonna call the cops on me, the Miami Police Department. It's in Orlando, Florida, if you want to see the description. But from what I heard, is complete stupid. Can't this this yellow male person has to show respect to me? Can he just say, please do not follow me? Like, from what I heard, basically he said, you have to stop following me. Because I'm really immature, I'm really disappointed, but this has to be going on. But please, this yellow male guy should probably need some respect from what I heard. And from what I heard was nuts. That I say I don't work here, I say sorry, but guess what? Guess what? He's saying that I don't probably work here because if you're trying to follow me, I'll get the police. What an idiot. Can't he at least say nice things to me? Saying, can you please stop following me? We are trying to get new shoes from my little girlfriend here. And guess what? He has a girlfriend. Normally because they speak Spanish, but most people speak Spanish in Orlando, Florida, which is okay, but can he just at least say nice manners? Because this yellow male person needs to show respect to me. Can he just at least say something like, can you please not follow me? Because he keeps saying, you're following me. Otherwise, I'll get the police. Then I leave the Nike factory store. Wow, can he just at least say nice words to me? Like, I don't get the clue here. But from what I heard, it's nuts. This is a jerk. Like, this is can't he just at least say nice words like I said many times? But according to that, I think that this is something that it is unacceptable. And he's trying to probably, like, he was mean to me, saying that I will follow the person, they thinking that's a stranger. But from what I heard, it's despicable. And yes, please note that there won't be any I'm not probably gonna say violation, but there won't be any rude comments, okay? Because I have to keep the story, because this is gonna be my story time from now on. But whoever's behind this yellow male person should say stop following me, instead of calling the cops on me, instead of calling the Miami Police Department. From this disrespecting moron. But so any rude comments, peoples, will technically be removed, but I just want to keep this story likely, but he was saying that he said that I might be calling the police, like he's basically calling the police on me, saying that probably because I followed him. Can he basically say nice things to me? Because I find this is something that I don't see after all. But this is something that this yellow male person has to show some respect for me. Well, peoples, this is going to be my story time from now on. And if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments below. Rude comments will be technically removed, because the spam comments could also be removed too, and it will be technically blocked from my YouTube channel, because this person yellow male one should not say mean things to me, as what I heard, because due to a thunderstorm, because I get something from the shoe store. And yes, they don't have an elevator here. It's only a one story. So thank you all so much for watching. And yellow male person, whatever you call it, please, I suggest you to show respect to me instead of calling the police on me. The Miami Police Department. Because this is really frustrating. Welp, I gotta go now, cause I gotta go get some sleep. So the new Tissa Club at the SeaWorld will be up tomorrow. So that's it.